Come aboard the Hawaiian Chieftain, a tall ship that was featured on the movie Blackbeard.
She was launched in Hawaii in 1988, and it is time for her to have some big projects done.
That's Caitlin Stanton, who works for a nonprofit organization called Harbor Historical Seaport, which operates this vessel and another called Lady Washington. Both were featured in Hollywood movies.
We always have lots of projects going with two vessels. We have a lot of maintenance that we're always doing.
And recently, an important component of the Hawaiian Chieftain went down.
We had a fairly significant problem come up, and you guys graciously opened your doors and let us come here and are fixing our hurt, and I cannot express my gratitude enough for that.
Guided by Captain Brendan Reed, the ship made its way to MTC's Tongue Point Job Corps Center in Astoria, Oregon, where welding students quickly went to work.
She is a steel-hulled boat. There is constant upkeep that needs to happen, and there's a lot more welding than on any other historical vessel that I've ever worked on.
Grays Harbor Historical Seaport helps train Tongue Point seamanship students. And in this case, students in the welding program also get to practice their trade.
Give them a chance to practice welding on a working platform, which is a different thing than welding at a bench. We're challenging your students to do some intricate welding, reinforcing our systems.
Grays Harbor Historical Seaport provides students with unique experiences as students gear up for new careers in the maritime industry.
The partnership we have with Tongue Point has been invaluable. Not only do you send us crew, which is one of the most fundamental pieces of making the boats work, but you send us people that have skills that we often have a hard time filling ourselves.
Engine room, bridge.